Hey guys, I got a 98 Ezgo here. The wheel hub is stripped. I know because when you put gas, when you push the gas, the wheel hub spins, or the wheel hub spins, but the tire doesn't. So that's how you know you got a strip hub and you need a new one. And if like 3-4 months for every time you use it, if it depends how much you use it, you're gonna need a new one. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this. It'll be easy job. Let me put you right here. There you go. All right. First things first, take out the cotter pin. All right, there you go. Loosen the screws. All right. There you go. Boom, boom. Now you take out. There you go. All right. So now what you got to do is clean that off. Because if you don't clean it off, the same thing's gonna happen. You see all that stuff flying out? Yeah, that's the reason why the last one went up. Get it, make sure you get it good. These little things will literally break your new one right away. Or strip it, I'm sorry, strip it. All right, that's it. You got the new one. You got the new, and from Amazon, 20 bucks. You can't beat it. Great deal. Put it on exactly how you got it. Put it off. Oh, I think it was good. Oh, you gotta push it in there. It's not going in. For some reason, you gotta play with it. What I like to do is just, bang on it. There you go. All right. Just gotta keep banging on it though. Or else, you need a hammer or something. It's not going in. I don't know why it's not going in, but it's supposed to just go in. Let's see. Try to put it this way. There you go. Just gotta bang it in now. See that? Just gotta bang it in there. It's almost in there. Alright. Just a little more. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. There you go. That's it. I mean, it'd be better if you had like a little soft hammer, but yeah, that's it. So it comes with the same things. You got the ring pins. All right, just put it on exactly how you took it off. There you go. All right. So basically that's it. No, that's it. So now you just need to put the cotter pin back in and you're good to go. Pretty easy job. There it is. Yeah, you gotta find it exactly where it goes. There it is. Boom. There it is. Alright, pull it out pretty good so it doesn't fall or it doesn't get pulled back out. I don't like this one. There you go, perfect. And then put the tire back on and you're good to go. Alright. There you go. Put your new screws in. Yep, and that's it. It just depends on how much you guys use it. I use it for this account that we have a lot. So we 3 to 4 or 5 months we do replace it. It's the wheel hub is always, it's 30 bucks or 20 bucks to fix it. Pretty easy job. Yeah, so let me know if you guys have any questions or do it, or how I can prevent it from this happening all the time. Thank you.